Starting around the 17th of May 2023, Dogecoin generally is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.19% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Doge explicitly has a sort of complete market cap of $10,483,579,906 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $332,099,375, or so they by and large thought. This truly makes Dogecoin sort of positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin in a real sense be especially worth in 2023, really as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Dogecoin a wise speculation or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of huge manner? Will Doge cost outperform its untouched high, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? These explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross an all things considered normal value level of 9 cents. The normal in every way that really matters. Least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the very current year ought to in a real sense be 9 cents, which is genuinely huge. Besides, Doge can arrive at a very most extreme value level of 11 cents in a sort of significant manner. Doge value gauge May 2023. The Dogecoin figure for May 2023 expects that the Doge may sort of arrive at a really greatest worth of 8 cents with a genuinely least cost of around 7 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge. Discussing the essentially normal value, Doge can stretch around 7 cents for May, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin value figure June 2023. The for the most part normal cost of Dogecoin could truly go to 8 cents toward the finish of June 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. Doge could especially be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of 8 cents with the very least expected cost of 7 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Dogecoin value expectation July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is explicitly anticipated to reach at a very least worth of 8 cents in July 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 8 cents with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 8 cents all through 2023, showing how fundamentally is Dogecoin a by and large wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation August 2023. Dogecoin cost truly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between 8 cents to 9 cents in August 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Doge for the August certainly remains around 8 cents. Dogecoin value conjecture September 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Dogecoin could commonly go to 9 cents toward the finish of September 2023, which truly is very huge. Doge could explicitly be exchanging around in every practical sense greatest worth of 9 cents with the extremely least expected cost of 8 cents in a huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation October 2023. The cost of Dogecoin really is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at a by and large least worth of 9 cents in October 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of 9 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 9 cents all through 2023. So in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin really be worth in 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking? Doge value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a kind of least value worth of 9 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of 10 cents with the typical cost around 9 cents, which really is genuinely critical. Doge value gauge December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to arrive at least value worth of 9 cents, which especially is very critical. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of 11 cents with the fundamentally normal cost around 9 cents in an exceptionally huge manner. Dogecoin past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost has shown a for the most part great increment of 3.92% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. From truly most recent 7 days, the Doge sort of was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.58%. Really in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin explicitly has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and essentially put resources into an unpretentious way. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge especially diminished by 20.788%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 2 cents from its truly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a by and large great especially purchase an open door for truly fast interest in a fundamentally huge manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 12.92%, and the cost generally coursed from an especially least in every practical sense normal cost of 8 cents to pretty most extreme especially normal cost of 8 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, exhibiting how Doge in a real sense has a sort of complete market cap of $10,483,579,906 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $332,099,375 in an unobtrusive manner. In all things considered, most recent 4 months Dogecoin by and large has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we fundamentally feel that comparative pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period in an extremely huge manner. As per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin is expanded from 4 months, or so they really thought. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its value, which is very critical. The coin explicitly is up by 4.96% with the really most extreme especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around 7 cents and the base genuinely normal value of was around 7 cents in beautiful beyond 4 months. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will by and large be Dogecoin especially worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? The Doge cost basically is estimated to explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 11 cents with pretty least cost of 9 cents toward the finish of 2023, which truly is very huge. Does Dogecoin by and large have a future in a genuinely enormous manner? As far as value, Dogecoin has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to explicitly arrive at new levels. Further appearance how the coin in a real sense is up by 4.96% with the especially most extreme especially normal cost of the coin truly was around 7 cents and the really least especially normal value of was around 7 cents and by and large beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. It by and large is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem in a genuinely enormous way. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Dogecoin can in a real sense hit the especially the most exorbitant cost of $2.82 till 2030, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Dogecoin especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin's worth is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as deficiency will in general fundamentally support cost rise, which truly shows that these truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a huge manner. Kindly note, there truly is a gamble to any speculation, which sort of is very critical. Just really put resources into what you can sort of achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the most extreme examination kind of conceivable in a very significant manner.